So you're interested in welding, but you don't got 220 hookup. All you got is 110. And you're not sure you want to put a lot of money into welding or you want to do some little stuff. I got the perfect welder for you. I've laid one bead so far. Check it out. This is the Riland. I think that's how you say it. It says MIG 100E. It runs off flux core. Just 110 right to the extension cord. Here's your trigger right there. Comes with a couple goodies and a roll of flux. This exhaust is leaking out of these 4 little spots right there. You can see the blackness. I just used a wire brush real quick. I'm gonna hit all 4 corners. This got hit on a curb and whatever, it started leaking right there. So that's the first weld that I put down right there. I am not a great welder, and that took me about 10 seconds. I'm also very shaky today, guys, very shaky. Also, here's my welding mask that I bought off Amazon. I like hot pink. Whatever, I'm a weirdo. I am ridiculously shaky today. I shouldn't have drank last night. Yep, that's exactly what happened. Was it pulled the pipe out a little bit because I just burnt through because I thought we were double layered there. We're not. Let me try to fill in this gap. That's what happened, is this clamp's not totally clamping no more. Go a little slower. We got to fill this hole in. We're filling a hole. It's about, I don't know, at least 1/8 of an inch wide. I'm going to try to fill in this gap.
There you go.
All right, how's that weld look? That looks much better. There we go. Oop, there we go. Now we're clear. All right. That's the weld right there, boys. So I blasted a hole right through there, so I'm going to let that lava drip down and fill in that hole. Like I said, I'm not the best welder. That's what Jamie's for. But that one, that looks pretty decent right there. Upside down with my shaky hands today is not working. I was just starting to get the hang of it. It is flux, it is 110, and I'm not the greatest welder, and I'm super shaky today. And there it is, it's so tiny. Look, it's about as tall as my hand, that's it. Adjustment for your feet and amps. Bada boom. The Riland little baby welder. Get the job done. It's nothing compared to my $2,000 setup, but that'll do, donkey. Right here on this side, I started to get the hang of it coming down. Don't look at this gooped up crap where I blew a hole through, all right? Look at like that. Yeah, I'm finishing this video in the bathtub. What are you gonna do? Call the cops? Anyways, I got this welder like 2 years ago, and it's like an emergency welder. I ran out of welding gas. Let's run with it. It's my own truck, so I don't care if it's pretty. There's gonna be no link for this video. They no longer make the Riland MIG 100E, but they got a bunch of updated models, new stuff and whatnot. I saw a stick welder for 45 bucks. It's just a welder for people who want to tackle small projects or try their hand in welding without spending 500 bucks, 1,000 bucks, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I have put in a stupid amount of hours this week. I'm hurting, muscles are sore. Using this manly Dead Sea muscle soak. Tomorrow Sunday I'll be working. Sunday I had food poisoning. Lasted into Tuesday. Was feeling better Wednesday. Stretched something in my back at the end of the shift Wednesday. Don't forget to treat yourself every once in a while.